Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm just getting ready to go to Mũi Né. So it is a small city, which is a beach city, and be honest with you, I heard so many things about it. So from the local girl. So I just hooked up with one girl here, and then she was just recommend me to go there, and I'm going there for a few days and coming back here because I'm flying from here to Toronto. So this was my loft here. Let me show you guys again. Um, in Saigon District 3. So District 3 is very close to District 1. And the District 1 is just the touristic part of the city. And be honest with you, I like here. This is the deluxe room. They have a smaller than this one. It's slightly cheaper than this. There's a kitchen, but there's nothing to cook. So you cannot pretty much cook anything here. This is a washroom. Just on my previous video, I show you guys, but the air conditioning works very good. Internet, if you need internet connection all the time, fast internet is good. So this was my bed. So it's just a mattress on the floor. It's just a loft style. It is nice. I like it. Yeah, guys. So what happened was a little bit noisy, guys. So a little bit noisy. I requested quiet room, but they give me this one. But there is a room next to me, and the other side is just much more quiet. But they give me this, and I'm not happy. But probably I won't come back here, and the reason is because of the noise, because it's very close to the street, and here if you stay close to the street, main street, it's just not easy to sleep, because motorbike is just 24/7. So anyways, guys, I just packed up. Everything packed. I'm going to Mũi Né with the bus. There is a lot of bad review for this bus company that I booked through Want2Go. But what can I do? I booked it. I cannot change anything right now. It costing me like $12. And if you book something through Want2Go, it's just always a nightmare. Always. The confirmation that comes in through online is nightmare. The only easy part of it, you're just paying online. Like you just put your information, boom, 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 you pay online. That's the only easy part. But usually their price is like $3-4 more. For example, this bus cost me $12 Canadian. Okay, it's not a big deal for 3 hours. But probably if you go to the bus station, probably is $8, $7. So obviously they charge you more. And also for the transaction fee. For example, I pay with Apple Pay and only 50 cents for that. So you see, it just adds up. I want to give you information. So maybe in $10, $12 or $15 ride is not the big deal. But if you book anything with Want2Go, always a problem, and always is going to cost you more, especially if like something is $30, $40 for the train. So pretty much it's like you're paying $10 extra. Anyways, guys, I just packed up. I'm just going to go downstairs at 10 a.m., take the taxi to the bus stop, and then taking the bus for 3 hours to Mũi Né. I'm very excited because it seems to me Mũi Né is a very nice city. And the beach is very beautiful. That's the bottom line, because she was just forcing me to go there. Not forcing me, like she was recommending me to go see it, because she said the beach is very beautiful. And the picture is very good. I booked a really nice hotel. I booked a hotel with a really nice sea view. I booked it for 2 days. So if you guys want to know the price. So here, this room costed me $41 Canadian, guys. So for 3 nights, I paid $123 Canadian. And the hotel that I booked in Mũi Né cost me $104 for 2 nights, including breakfast. So it is not cheap there too, but $104 Canadian, guys, not US. So it is not cheap, to be honest with you. 2 days ago when I was checking, it was cheaper. So all of a sudden the price gone up. I don't know why. So anyways, guys, I'm heading there. So hopefully you guys like the journey. and I'm very excited. Pretty much I'm not going to stay more than 3-4 days. Then I have to get back here and I have to be focused on things that I have to do in Canada because I'm flying to Canada on May 22nd. Cheers, guys, and see you soon. Guys, it is 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm having burger. It's just crazy, man. But I thought to have something, so... And guess what, guys? The bus company is going to drop me to my hotel, so which is really nice. Actually, my hotel is just in Central, but that was nice. She says she's going to drop off because my hotel is in Central, so obviously because of that. So... that's really good because I don't need to get the taxi then from bus stop to my hotel. So probably if there is no delay or whatever, so probably I'll reach there at 2 o'clock, hopefully. Let's see. Guys, this is the first time I had a Burger King after so long, probably for past like 2-3 years, and I didn't like it, guys, especially here. The bun, it was so soft. Fries was good, but the bun, it was so soft. I think McDonald's here is just much better, guys. So this is my opinion. So anyways, guys, my bus stop here. I'm in the sleeping bus. This is the most ridiculous bus I ever experienced in my life. It's just like really uncomfortable, guys. It's just like teeny tiny. I don't know what to do. Like, look at it. I don't know what is this sleeping bus means. Look at this. So uncomfortable that it's just unbelievable. Guys, there's only 2 hours left and we're in the sleeping bus. I don't understand the purpose of this sleeping bus, man. I don't get it. It's so fucking uncomfortable. And this is me. What the hell? Don't ever take this bus, ever. It's so hot, so uncomfortable for 2 hours ride. We are in sleeping bus, guys.